Hello everyone, how are you? I'm sure that you are really happy, healthy and fine, correct? But today I'm feeling little lazy. Yes, and I want to have a snacks which is very quick and fast. So I have planned to make
Cheese and Chilli Toast, which is one of my favorite snacks.
So let's start.
So we need some slices of breads, cheese, some green chili chopped. You can use even chili flakes as well. One small size onion chopped, some butter for toasting, salt, and crushed black pepper. So as you can see, first grate all the cheese. Now you can see it is done. Now soften with hand. After that, add onion. Now it is time for chopped green chili as much as you want. Some salt. Please remember there is some salt in the cheese. After that, add crushed black pepper. Then just mix all the ingredients nicely. So our cheese mixture is ready. Now we will toast the bread. Apply some softened butter on the bread, only on one side. Now heat a pan on a slow flame, then place all the breads from the buttered side and press it with a spatula so that it gets an even color. So now you can see it got some nice golden brown color. Take it out on a plate, then apply the cheese mixture on the bread. Now put some butter on the same pan and coat it nicely. And remember, the flame should be very slow. Now arrange all the breads from the untoasted sides. So as you can see, I have arranged all the breads. Now just need to cover it with a lid and wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see all the cheese got nicely melted. It's the time for take it out and cut it according to your choice. I prefer to cut it into 4 pieces. You can hear the sound, it is really nice and crunchy. So here is my cheese and chili toast. I'm really feeling hungry. I'm sure you also. Please do try at home and let me know the feedback. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Happy cooking.